Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Qwen 3.6 app on Windows 11 operating system. To download the software in Google search box, right there Qwen, then go on this qwen.ai site. So here you can do their chart. Let's click on this download. So here you can select your language, English. That's fine. Click on this download. Then you can use in app or Google Play Store for mobile. Now for desktop you can use inside Mac and here Windows. So let's click on this Windows. So now you can see exe file that's downloading. So total size is 119 MB. So here you can get this Qwen here with iOS, Android and download this. So here you can see. So here you can go on this Qwen code, then you can use this code inside the Linux operating system, this for Windows. Now here this downloaded, simply you need to click on this exe file. Now here installation wizard that's come there, you can use all user for this computer or only. You can select anyone. Let's click on next. Here this is the destination where Qwen is going to install. Click on this install. So Qwen is currently installing and here please wait while Qwen is being installed. So currently I'm using Windows 11 operating system. You can do the same thing with Windows 10 operating system. Now you can see completing Qwen. This turn, if you want, then you can run. Let's click on finish here. Icon that's created. Let's double click on this Qwen. So Qwen app download as well as install. Now here you can see this is come there. You can use this about here. You can use 3.6 plus 3.5 plus this all. Okay, this here you can select the version. Now Qwen, you can use the audio. Here you can choose the style for your image. You can do if you want, then right there let's take give the high. So this is now returning this in quick second of times.